This guide focuses on project sources training within Sferal.ai. Sources are essential to any AI agent as they determine its knowledge base, biases, capabilities, and overall performance quality, directly influencing the accuracy, fairness, and usefulness of its outputs. From accessing the sources sections within Sferal.ai to managing them in your workspace and organization, this comprehensive walkthrough will help you navigate through the functions of the platform effectively. Users can upload and access their sources by clicking on the Sources button under My Workspace section. Any source uploaded under your workspace will be automatically uploaded to your organization, but in this section, they will be visible only to the organization owners or admins. The owner or admin of the organization can decide to make the sources uploaded by any of the users public. Therefore, public sources can be used by other teams for other agents. For a deep dive into Sferal.ai teams, roles, and user interactions, please check out our dedicated training. In the Sources section, you can manage already uploaded sources or you can add new ones. Initiate the process of adding new sources by clicking on the Add Sources button. In Sferal.ai, you have flexible format options such as files, websites, or media links. To proceed with adding a specific media source, such as a YouTube video or a channel, enter the link in the dedicated box. Then choose a tag if you want to organize your sources and if you already created tags. If not, tags can also be created and associated with sources afterwards. To complete the action, select the Confirm button. To continue adding sources in other formats, select again the Add Source button. Next, you can add a website URL as a source. This website URL can be your company website, an article, or any link that you want your agents to use as a source. Please keep in mind that at the moment, only the first 5,000 links will be scraped. Specify the website URL in the dedicated box, then adjust the max depth, select download documents or add tags if wanted. Adjust the depth as per the level of pages that you want your website to be scraped. For example, if you upload a link with 1,000 pages, you might consider scraping only the number of useful layers to reduce the uploading time. By selecting the Download Documents box, your transcribed website will be saved locally as text. Next, you can search among the drop-down list and add a tag. Then finalize the action by selecting the Confirm button. Another source format that you can add is the document one. Sferal.ai supports multiple document formats, such as portable document format, Microsoft Word, plain text, rich text format, markdowns, and many more. To proceed with this action, please select the File button. Upload one or multiple files by drag and dropping your documents or selecting the file from your computer. Then select the Upload File button. Add tags for your sources as wanted. Then finalize the action by selecting the Confirm button. When sources are properly categorized, it is easier to maintain your organization's operational efficiency. In Sferal.ai, the sources are organized by different columns such as name, type, size, status, teams, tags, agents, tokens, author, and created at. To better fit your organization's needs, you can select from the predefined list which columns to include in the sources board. To proceed with this setting, click on the highlighted icon. Then turn on or off the preferred options and save the changes made. In the name column, you can find the name of your source, and you can also proceed to multiple actions. You can directly rename your sources by clicking on the pen icon, then entering in the dedicated box the new name. Lastly, confirming the action. In the name column, you can also download the sources if they're in a file format by selecting the download icon. Additionally, you can view the text source by clicking on the text source icon. For sources uploaded in a file format, you can visualize them in markdown text or raw text format. For sources uploaded as links or videos, you can click on the Go to Source icon. This action opens the source in your browser. To check the transcribed text source of your uploaded videos, proceed to selecting the text source icon. You can check out the markdown text or the raw text option, but you can also format your text with AI by selecting the Format Text button. For websites, you have the option to manage the children of your source by clicking on the View Children icon. In the Children tab, you can navigate among all sources-related children and manage them in the same way that you would manage the sources. Select the Back option to go back to the Sources tab. In the next column, you can filter through the sources types such as channel, video, PDF, DOC, or text. Check the size column to quickly identify resource-intensive sources that might impact system performance. Next, check the status of your sources. The uploaded sources will be available to use in projects after the status is set to complete. Pending sources are in the process of uploading into your Sferal.ai platform, and depending on the size of your source, the completion can take up to a few minutes. Manage your sources by making them available to certain teams within your organization. After the sources are allocated to certain teams, they can only be deleted from the organization by the owner. To assign your sources to specific teams, click on the Add icon next to the selected source. Click on the drop-down icon to select a team from the already created ones. Choose the team, then complete the action by clicking on the Add button. You also have the option to add a source to multiple teams within your organization. For details on creating teams within your organization, please check out our Teams training. In the Agents column, you can directly link your sources to already created agents by clicking on the Add to Agents icon. Then select the agent from the drop-down list and click on the Add button. You also have the possibility to create a new agent with the selected source. To proceed with this option, click on the Create a New Agent icon. Select the agent type and follow the steps to create a new agent as described in our Create Agents training. To go back to the Sources tab, select the Cancel option. Tagging your sources is crucial as it enhances searchability, enables powerful filtering, and adapts to your evolving needs without requiring reorganization. To manage your organization's tags, select the Tags option from the menu. At any time, you can choose to edit the existing tags by selecting the Edit icon. You can then proceed to update the name, description, and color, making sure to save the edited tag. To delete the unnecessary tags, please select the Delete icon, then confirm the action by selecting the Delete button. If you want to initiate the creation of a new tag, select the Create New Tag button. Fill in the name of the tag, add a description for the tag, choose the color of the tag, and finalize by saving the tag. Now that your tags are updated, you can organize your sources. Select the Add Tag icon. Search through the drop-down list of the existing tags. Select the tag and save the changes made. In the Tokens column, you can check the source's consumption. Monitoring token consumption is essential as it directly impacts your AI system's performance, costs, and processing speed. Tracking this metric helps identify optimization opportunities, plan budgets accurately, prevent unexpected expenses, and ensure you're getting the maximum value from your AI investment while maintaining optimal processing quality. Identifying the author of a source enables proper attribution, establishes content credibility, maintains quality standards, and ensures accountability within your organization. And last but not least, tracking a source's creation date is essential as it identifies outdated information, maintains version control, and helps prioritize updates, ensuring your organization always works with the most current and relevant information available. In the Sources section, you can also delete sources that are no longer relevant by selecting the Delete button. If a source is deleted within the organization by the owner, the source will be deleted also from the workspace or from the teams. Please be mindful that after the sources have been allocated to certain teams, they can only be deleted by the owner and not the user. Then complete the process by selecting again the Delete button. This guide covered navigating through Sferal.ai's powerful source management system. We learned how to effectively organize sources using key attributes like tags, teams, size tokens, authors, and creation date, helping find relevant information, optimize performance, control costs, verify content credibility, and ensure working with the most current information available.